Hi, Literacy 7 students. This is Mrs. Salter, and she is here to tell you, or I am here to tell you what we're doing today. So you should just be now getting done with SSR. Make sure that you have recorded your reading for today onto your bookmark. What we're going to be doing for the rest of the class period, and it's pretty independent, guys, is first we are going to make sure that you finish up the activity we started yesterday, the Everyday Hero dictated writing, that will be due today. So please make sure that you are utilizing all of your time and getting that submitted on Canvas. When you finish that, you will then follow into Everyday Hero follow-up activity, which is also on Canvas, and I will talk you through that here in a second, okay? So as a reminder, on Canvas, you will go to Modules. Under Taking Responsibility, you will scroll down to Everyday Hero, and you guys are going to start with the dictated writing. You should have started this yesterday, but remember what we're doing is that you are supporting the claim here with two pieces of evidence from the story itself, and then you are explaining your evidence in this box, how it fits the claim. So remember we talked about yesterday, the first claim was the students and teachers of Red Lake High School never expected the horrific events that took place on Monday, March 21st, 2005. You would then go into the text and find two quotes that support that claim. So we talked about one being, like the teacher suddenly ran into the room, right? That's not the exact quote, but you would find that part. You would write word for word what the text says, and that would be one piece of evidence. You would need to find one more. And then you would explain how that shows, these quotes show this claim. There are two more claims. One is the shooter, Jeff Weiss, had several problems which may have led to his violent killing spree. I think it's on the second page. There's a little bit of evidence for that. And then you explain your evidence. And then the last one, Jeff May, an ordinary student, became a hero in a matter of moments. So you just find two pieces of the story that show he was a hero. Record those down for your evidence, and then explain how they fit. So that is all you need to do for the dictated writing, and then you make sure that you guys will have a submit button up here, so make sure you click submit. Then, back into modules, Everyday Hero follow-up. So if you click on this, there are a couple of directions, okay? So it says one, watch the YouTube videos below. So there's one here and one here. Both of these are interviews with two students from Red Lake High School that will talk about how they've been dealing with the shooting. They interviewed these students after the Parkland shooting in Florida. So there's a little bit of connection into what you're going to be doing next, because that talks about the March for Our Lives, which was after that shooting. So watch this video, then watch this video. That does require headphones, so please make sure you either use yours or find some of mine in the plastic bin by my desk. After you've watched those, you will need to go to Actively Learn. Now, here's the thing. 6th and 7th hour, you guys were prompted to join a Google Classroom. You do not need to go to Google Classroom. I repeat, you do not need to go to Google Classroom to access this activity, but you have to be in my Google Classroom in order to do that. So 5th hour, I forgot to have you guys do that. We ran out of time. So the substitute is going to put these codes up on the board for you guys. 5th hour, you will need to join this Google Classroom. And then once again, the activity is not there, okay, but you have to be in this Google Classroom to access the activity on Actively Learn, okay? So let's go back here. Once you click on activelylearn.com, it will ask you guys to log in with Google. Log in with Google. And then you will see articles here for different classes, or for this article here with different questions, okay? So as you're reading, make sure that you are answering the questions as you go. I will be checking the answers for those questions, okay? That should be plenty of work for you guys over the class period, but if you do manage to get both the dictated writing turned in and finished and the Everyday Hero activity done, you will add and actively learn. You will be able to move back into SSR. Okay? Thank you. Please be on your best behavior.